Welcome by the Politricks watch. This is Sir P. Teletubby get locked up in a baby crib. Him try to look over the crib, but him down the neck. Him couldn't see Uncle Sam running upon him. That right there, so, is an impression. Right? I have to look at YouTuber. Right? I have to say, A+. Right? Sounds like something I would definitely say. Right? Big up the page in dangers. Right? Now, let's get into the video. The Teletubster. We see it dropping at the papers say he's been arrested on immigration charges because, he got already. And them thing there, man, as you should know by now, right? It was all a matter of time before him look around. It don't sound too good with the Teletubster, but I'm telling you, say, it was all a matter of time before himself destruct. In case you're brand new to this side of YouTube, right, the Teletubby is another artist who I bad mind. Not as much as I bad mind scammers, but right, close second. Right. I've done many videos on him, right? The videos on even the incidents surrounding Jamaican and all them new them. I'd may say, or as me and Danger say, right, the Teletubby get locked up in a crib. But this is not the kind of crib, right? Nobody want in, much less baby. Because at least when baby in a crib, then can ball make noise and they take them out. The crib a Teletubby, the carrying ball, he now come out. Now him can leak and come out. But that's a different argument. We will explore that further on down in the video. In case you're brand new to this side of YouTube, Teletubby is another artist, right, who, of course, I'm a bad mind. Right? That's my main thing, bad minding artist. Right? Not as much as I bad mind scammers, but it's a close second. Right? So the official storyline is that, him quote unquote overstay visa. Right? But unicorn meat. From me say that, me know say that can't be coming from no official Uncle Sam source. Right? Because, right, let's just say they would be well aware of the facts there, right? And so, it means Uncle Sam, so we don't know him to overstay, right? On a visa when time, let's just say him thing spooky, right? We know Teletubby reach Uncle Sam place, right? Could have gone into great details about it because the story itself is actually rather interesting, right? Right? Make it by the skin of him teeth, so to speak. Right? But, right, even though I'm hardly Teletubby's biggest fan, right, never really want to make a video surrounding one immigration visa and nothing like that, right? Especially considering say make internet there. Maybe an Ironman's a better place with him as far away as possible, right? Now, the whole time you've been seeing him on IG Live post all kind of picture, pose up with a big Glock in a waist extension magazine him and J-Man them. Teletubby thing never straight. Teletubby knows say him thing shaky and the man still, right, they on the gram, they on live. And I care how much time you come him in the middle and say, you love too much video like you, now learn. Well, as them say, who can hear will feel. They can't see. What am I doing? I say nobody can fool so, but they are. I'm say if anything Uncle Sam was not aware of the immigration thing right from the very start. He's a popular entertainer, right, who just drop in a Uncle Sam place and them can easily do them checks and say, hold on, he come here, I wanna see this, how come you see come? Oh, okay. Alright, I could just go and watch him. Right. Now, the timing is interesting. Now, the mainstream theories that, that just through the Santos just bring in the new law, so that is why they ain't go feel now. I mean, let me say the timing is real spooky. Teletubby a bit like that. Him rather change him name to NWC, National Water Commission. or at least in this instance, the Florida Water Commission, before him touch back Iron Man. No. Unless Uncle Sam decides, say, right, them definitely not interested in what him have to say, right, and what him have say is not having a real high value, so, just one way I go. That's the only way Iron Man to tell the top stuff, right, but we know he's not keen on the idea of touching Iron Man's soil. So if you see him touch back the road and start walk up and down normally, and you hear him say, John or Tubby, oh you bust the case. And him say something like, I just true Father God bless me, and you can't meet. We know what going on. It's actually a bad thing if Tubby drop an Iron Man. It's better off for him there. For the sake of Salt Spring, sake of Mobile, it's better off for him there. At this point, our Uncle Sam boy, make them deal with him. If Teletubby drop an Iron Man, right, it will change the dynamics, right, especially at Salt Spring. When you notice how long we're not hearing the real things that go on with Salt Spring. Remember one time, all of that year was murder after murder after murder. Right? When you have the snake, you have Ramos them, and you have Teletubby to them, right? Murder after murder after murder. You notice, Ramos them lift up, Teletubby lift up, snake gone to jail. You don't really nothing about Salt Spring again, because you don't know you got rid of the same people them. Enough of them from busted, right? Start come under pressure to take themselves. They just get quiet. Because they know it go right, a minority of 87s commit a majority of the murders. So in time, a few, even though look like a few, man take out themselves to places get quiet. Because those are the people them who be causing the problem. Tell it to me, I gotta tell you right now, how failed it was the case. I give you the formula when I give you already. Tell it to me. When you have an interview with the immigration people, with ICE or whoever, tell them say you identify as an American. Tell them say you were born and mislabeled as a Jamaican. Tell them say you never give nobody permission to write Jamaican in your papers. Tell them say you identify as an American. All your life you felt like an American. Right? Your pronoun is Yankee. Right? Tell them that. Supposed to work based on how them treat other things. Although, come to think of it, Florida is DeSantis' place and DeSantis really depend on them thing that, to be honest, I don't know if they identify as tactic might work. So come to think of it, they might have to go resort to plan B. I'm not talking about the pill. I'm not talking about the NWC. When I understand, so right now, everybody has said, I wonder if it's them man they call name, I wonder if them call them name. Everybody I call name. Right. This fantasy will never known either, man got jail go hold it. Nobody now hold nothing. Florida is a death penalty state. Let me repeat myself. Florida is a death penalty state. Right. It's one of the last places you want to go run joke. Right. Especially as an Iron Man, if you think the man not jail, but me I hold it down, me I hold it cause man I tough it out. Nobody not tough for nothing. Right. So you can't hold the NWC against the one man cause me man. I wonder if him attack. I wonder if him attack. The whole of them attack. Right. They're not dealing with, and I like what them used to do on mobile. Them have a look at one squaddy link, well, at least one, right. A holy board. Them have a squad link and they can call and what them say, oh, alright, and then they get some tip off and right before the raid happen, them squaddy call them and tell them say, yo, the Jeep them a drive out now and them can go hide the gun them. Right. Them, they're not at the level to pull out them things. Right. Don't get me wrong now, because some places are some of it. But I feel say corruption are going, but not in the level where you need to be. Teletubby them and J-Man in the depend on that. But if nothing serious happened to him, right, regarding case and all that, then you're going to hear people say, boy, look how him did food, boy, look how the man wasted it. The same people them will encourage him. Right, for self-destruct. The same people them who say, don't listen to look you what you bad mind here, bro. You want to be you. You may say you have 100 girl and him not have none. Trim you say, and Trim say you flex, bro, you want your lifestyle. Them people, now I laugh. I say, look how man fool, man. Look how man should have go lay low, look how man should have. Even though, right, them that encourage them to self-destruct. Notice all the media will make video about and say them about self-destruct. See them self-destruct there. J-Man get too much warning. Tubby get too much warning. But as I said, just like a picnic. Just like a picnic way. Pooping at them pants. It's like a baby. Just pooping at them diapers. And you have to say, well, a baby they not have much sense. They can't themselves. So you have to start looking at me this They just not have much sense. All when it's very obvious and they're right in front of them. Them still metaphorically poop them pants. And expect somebody to clean up them mess. Fans them not cleaned up though. Quote unquote fans them. I gotta switch to a new artist. Jump on a new hype train. Them not gonna buy an album. Help contribute to the lawyer fee. Alright. And then because see how this turn out, especially what's going to happen to the people them who surround the Teletubby and J-Man them. Because I say I look to see if certain things reach certain other people so we can have a better idea as to what go on. But feel the rhythm, feel the ride, get on up. It's leaking time. Who'll run it? Patience squad, make up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Vulture squad, stay circling. Bless.